Lighthouse Road to the world. Lighthouse to the world. Yo. Lighthouse to the world. Yeah, man. Original Blue Jays Club. Big up yourself, Bilal, anywhere you're there. To the world. And Maria Vaz, big up in the meantime, set speed. You see me? Yeah. Original. It's the Blue Jays Club there, Bilal. Big up yourself, Bilal, please. Original. See me? Yeah, man. Lighthouse Road to the world. You mean, people? You know what, Chinna man in the Portland blog. And remember, you know, daddy, like and share. Subscribe to this channel. Don't know. Yeah, Natty. Honorable my king. Yeah, man. You mean? Lighthouse Road with the daddy. And you know you have two mad shop on the corner up here, sir. Yeah. Lighthouse. And you know you have two mad shop on the corner up here, so I saw the youth them hang out. Lighthouse Road, Crossroad, this, my general. See place there. See place there, daddy. Lighthouse. I'm gonna come to get them out. And you know the youth them up on the corner play some draft. Watch you now, see it there now. Yeah. The youth them up on the corner play some. Loady. Mad thing. Yeah, man, you them up on the corner play some things, you know. Big up on yourself, yo. That's all the things say. Yeah, man, a Chinna man in a Portland blogger coming to you live from Lighthouse Road, my daddy. Right at the crossroad, daddy. See? It. Big up yourself, Border Cat. Run with all the rat. You think a chat, man, a chat? Mad thing, boy, daddy. It.